Morning, students. How are you feeling today? Masih lemas ya? Sudah sarapan belum? Not yet. Okay, after this you can eat your breakfast at istirahat ya. Okay, sebelum kita memulai pelajaran hari ini, let's take a short break. Sorry. Okay, let's start with absent. Okay, Mbak Febri, Mbak Winda, Mas Hazel, Mas Yuda, Mas Syahyo, Mas Habib, Berlin, Mbak Inge, Mbak Reina. Oke, semuanya hadir ya. Excellent. Okay. Before we start, I have a blank PPT here, but I want someone to move forward. One person, please. Satu orang datang ke depan. Miss mau nanya sesuatu tentang hal yang menarik. Mbak Winda, please. Maju ke depan dulu ya. Yes. Miss cuma mau nanya sedikit aja buat teman kalian hari ini. Sudah lihat gambar ini? Sudah. Have you ever made them?
Yes.
Apa ini? Yesterday makan apa ya? Noodle. Yang nasi goreng, mie goreng.
Yes.
Rasa ini.
Yes.
Do you know how to make it?
Yes.
How?
I cook in the restaurant.
Gimana?
I bought the noodle first at the
Mhm.
store,
Mhm.
and then I bring it home.
Yeah.
I rip the noodle. I prepare the boil water.
Yeah.
And then I put the noodle on the boil water. And then if the water is boiling, you take the noodle.
Okay, out.
Yeah.
Drain the noodle.
Yeah, drain the noodle, and then I prepare the bowl before. Then I put the noodle on the bowl, and then I put the seasoning.
Betul.
Then I
Mix it
mix
well.
it, and then I eat.
Okay, is it good?
Of course.
Okay, the noodle is of course good, yeah, everyone. That's excellent. She know how to make a noodle even in English. Excellent, Mbak Winda. Oke, jadi itu adalah cara bagaimana Mbak Winda membuat noodle ya, mie gitu ya. Oke, sekarang kalian sudah tahu bagaimana pelajaran kita hari ini. Mau membahas apa sudah tahu? Bukan ya bikin mie betul, tapi kita akan belajar ke bagaimana kita how to make something. Oke? Bisa teh, bisa mie, bisa kopi, everything that you like. Oke? Is it clear? Can we move to the next?
Yes.
Oke, semangat sekali, saya suka. How to make something as I told you before. But we already answered this. Of course kalian sudah bisa bikin ini semua ya. Of course. Jangan makan tiap hari loh ya. Do not eat this food every day, okay? Okay, Miss. Okay. Nah, Miss juga ada new vocab time. Let's learn a new vocabulary, shall we? Jadi, there are 4 vocab that I will tell you, and then you can repeat after me. Okay? Is it clear? Yeah. Nice. Boil. Again, boil. Boil itu apa teman-teman? Semua? Bagus. Good job. The next one, cut. Cut. What is cut? Potong. Good job. Excellent. The next one, mix. So like student, mix. Good job. Mix itu apa teman-teman? Mencampur. Mix it well. Okay, and then the last one, pour. How is it to pour? Like this, okay? Pour. Apa itu pour? Good job, excellent semuanya. Kalian speakingnya cantik-cantik dan bagus-bagus sekali ya. I like that. Semua, oke. Nah, karena kalian tadi sudah dijelasin sama Mbak Winda gimana caranya membuat noodles, dan kita bakal we will learn how to What is procedure text? Jadi, procedure text is a text that tell us how to do something. So, like it says on the PPT, jadi procedure text itu how we make something. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, what is procedure text? How to make
something.
What kind? Apa aja yang bisa. Yang penting ada stepnya, food, drinks, food. Then in the procedure text there is a structure. I just make it too so you can lebih gampang untuk dicerna ya semuanya. So there is a goal and then steps. So as the name of the PPT, goal is to tell us what are we making for. Jadi goal itu tuh kita, why did we make this? Why did we make Indomie? Why did we make tea? Jadi tujuan itu akan intinya akan menjelaskan tujuan bagaimana kita akan membuat sesuatu, okay? And then the next one, that is a step. Tadi Mbak Wina juga sudah menjelaskan how to make noodle, the steps. First, boil the water, prepare the noodle, and then drain the noodle, and then you can season the noodle. That is the steps. That is the steps, okay? Steps itu adalah apa teman-teman? Langkah-langkah untuk membuat sesuatu. Good job. Nah, I will not explain how to make noodles because it is already explained by Mbak Winda. Okay, now before we start the video, I always spoilers for you guys. I have an activity or assignment for you guys. Okay, here. After I gave you the task, I will explain the instruction, and then here for you. Here for you. Here for you. Excuse me. Sorry. So there is an assignment for you. Task 1 and then task 2. Of course, we will answer the task 1 first. So pay attention to the LKPD or assignment first. So based on the task, the instruction is answer the questions after you watch the video, and the video I will give you on the PPT. If I cannot give you the PPT on the video on the PPT, I will write it down here on the whiteboard. And then you can work together with your partner. You can pair with your best friend or friends. Gitu ya, jadi kalian bisa berpasangan. Is it clear what you guys have to do? Yes. Okay, good job. Let me play the video. I think the audio is not tidak bisa didengar, but there is a transcript. You can see sambil Miss tulis di papan tulis ya, jadi bisa kalian lihat 2 kali. Kurang gede nggak ya teman-teman? Ya. Sudah terlihat transkripnya? Oke. Let me. I'm sorry there is no sound for you guys, okay? Is it okay? I hope it's clear for you.
It's okay.
Is the video done? Oh, they're not done. Okay, maybe it's like that. Okay. Oh, belum. Okay, sudah tahu bagaimana jawaban for the goal and the steps?
Yes, miss.
Oh, sudah. Is it easy? Is it easy for you? So. Good job, Raina. Okay. Siapa yang sudah mengisi? Raise your hand. Mbak Febri sudah? Sudah? Yes. Can I ask you to answer it? Okay. Stand up, please. The goal, the set is for the older student, okay? Just tell the goal. What is the goal for of the video?
How to make spaghetti?
Good job! How to make a spaghetti. Tepuk tangan untuk Mbak Febri. Apa stepsnya sudah?
Iya, tapi baru setengah.
Baru setengah. It's okay. You can start.
The first, prepare the egg, bacon, some cheese and spaghetti.
Yes.
And the second, boil the spaghetti.
Yeah.
And the third, fry the bacon until crispy.
Yes.
And then the fourth, mix the eggs and Parmesan cheese in bowl.
Oh.
And finally, then the last, draining the spaghetti.
Okay, good job. Plus lagi buat Mbak Febri. Mbak Febri is right, but she has the simple one. I make this too long, but she is good enough to answer the question. Good job, Mbak Febri. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next topic. I think it's enough for the video. Okay. It's actually the end of the class. I just told you about what today. What did we learn? About what? Crochet text. What is crochet text?
How to make
How to make something. Good job. Okay. Was it easy or difficult for you? Easy. Nah, karena easy, Miss punya.
Oh no.
It's not homework. It's not homework. I will give you for the next week so you can study it at home. Jadi di LKPD itu ada homework. Kalian bisa lihat instruksinya di sini. Nanti kalau misalnya ada yang tidak jelas, you can ask me directly or you can ask me on the phone. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. That's the end of the lessons today. Thank you for your attention, and I like this class. And do you like this topic? Yes, because it's about food.
Yes.
Because you're all hungry right now.
Yes.
It's okay. Now, we already ended, and I want you to have a short prayer for end this class. Shall we? Amen. Thank you, everyone, and see you next week. And don't forget to do your
firework. Okay?
Bye bye. See you next week.
Thank you.
You're welcome.